Please do not intercept my work. Ay! Creepy place. No! Hello mga dudes, tayo ngayon ay maglalaro ng... Okay, hindi ko tanda yung name. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Uy, nagising! Employee awake! Okay, okay, kailangan natin ng flashlight. May flashlight ba dito? Okay, walang libre na flashlight. Open portal! Hey!
A few moments later.
Oh. Okay, 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 okay. So yan na nga. Okay. Okay, ano to? 6 o'clock ko. Ay, mali, mali! Yung flashlight ko, okay na yan. We need a flashlight to light things up around us. Okay, parang itong pinto na to, yung starting line. Ah, mali na naman. Okay, let's start collecting. Let's start collecting the materials. The materials. Ano to? Oh, dilim ah. Okay. Ano yung nakita ko? Magalaga ko. Pick up! Pick up! Kadilim. Okay. I am just doing my job here. Please do not intercept my work. Ay! Oh! Nabumbahan ako! Landmine pala yung mga puti na yan. Kailangan natin iwasan. Ay, may bote ulit. Oh. Pick up. Kita ko yun! Takba! Bilis! Safe! Safe, 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 safe. Oh, nakita ko yung black dude. Kita ko yung maitim. Ah.
A few moments later.
Bilis. We are in the place that is creepy. Creepy place. We're in the creepy place. Oh. Oh shit. Ah! Nahulog pala. Ay! Nahulog ako. Ah! Okay. Namatay tayo. We died. Okay. Employee awake. Let us try again. Okay. Ay, yung flashlight! Nakita ko eh. Oh, yalis dyan. Wala ron. Nawala ulit yung flashlight. Ano to? Other people. Galagaw. Other people. Wala. 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 Hello. 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 Open the door! Ooh. Kailangan natin mag-collect at umalis. Ganun lang yun kadali. Basta hindi tayo maligaw. Wow. Ba't parang pinto are? Okay, wala. Dito tayo eh. Okay. Nope. Okay, balik. Oh, yan. Oh. Ano to? Ay. Oof. Ito. Saan na tayo? Oh! Saan yun? Ano to? No! Oh! Woy! Okay guys, kung kayo ay maglalaro ng game na to, maganda may kasama kayo. Okay, bye-bye. Mag-subscribe kayo.